masdan, mga mata'y imulat sa kaliwa hanggang kanan. Marami nang malubhang apektado, kirami pang nangangailangan ng tulong mo. Sa nakikita natin ngayon, sakitin na ang mundo. Mayroong panawagan sa programang tulad mo, sama-samang pagkilos sa pabago-bagong panahon. Ano nga bang magiging parte mo bilang isang mamamayan? Itanong mo kahit kanino, itanong mo sa sarili mo.
Your commitment exemplifies the core CDD principles of participation, transparency, and accountability.
Magkalahi tayo, tara na, halika na, sumama na. Kapatid, tulungan natin ang isa't isa.
Your success is our success. As we shoulder the crucial responsibility of planning, funding of these activities, let us always be guided by our department's guiding motto, maagap at mapagkalingan serbisyo.
We should start with the end in mind. And what's that end? We have highlighted that Kalahi Seeds is not an infra project and the SO Group is not an infrastructure agency. In Kalahi Seeds, we do not just develop or implement some projects. It is just a byproduct of our target empowerment of the communities. In Kalahi Seeds, help us to create more stories of change. That will be the end in mind.
Our discussions have been insightful, and our collaborative efforts have paved the way for a smoother transition.
I hope this session, wala man tayong enough time to generate all your concerns, sana nakatulong to prepare your WFT.
Halika na, sumama na. Kapatid, tulungan natin ang isa't isa. Ikaw at ako, lahat tayo, ipakita sa mundo.
We have witnessed firsthand the dedication and enthusiasm of each and every one. Your active participation and valuable contribution have truly made this workshop a resounding success.